Big news coming in from Maharashtra. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has announced compulsory closure of all offices and shops in Mumbai, Pune and Pimpri Chinchwad. He says that people aren't yet staying at home. This is a cause of concern and therefore he has had to take this drastic measure of asking for an almost complete lockdown. Essential services, of course, will be running. Trains and buses is also what he says will run. However, all shops, all offices are going to remain closed. Radhika is now joining us with more details. Radhika, is it going to go into effect immediately and till when?
Yes, it seems to be going into effect immediately because, right now, of course, Uddhav Thackeray has made that announcement that almost all the shops will be shut, except, of course, the essential services that we are talking about. Apart from that, all the shops will be shut. Till about yesterday, the permission was given for the shops to be shut on alternate days. But looks like because many shops are keeping themselves open almost all the time, he has decided that let all the shops, barring essential services, let them all be shut. And also he's spoken about how in government offices the workforce will be reduced to 25% from what was before, which was 50%. I'm just going to show you a bylane here in Juhu, where these shops, they were open about 15-20 minutes back, but now they are shut. You can see the shutters down. Most shops started shutting about 10-15 minutes back. So you can see many of the shutters are down in many of the places, but there are some who continue to operate at this point. So which is why Uddhav Thackeray has made that announcement that because there are complaints that they are receiving that many shops are continuing to remain open despite telling them to open only on alternate days. It's been decided that let all the shops be shut, barring the ones that sell essential items.
Radhika, also take us through what he has said about the public transport.
As far as public transport system is concerned, that is where the real challenge is. As far as locals are concerned, there were considerations, there were several meetings that were conducted to sort of figure out what can be done as far as the trains are concerned, locals are concerned, because lakhs of people travel every day. But right now, no announcement as far as locals are concerned. They will continue to run as they used to run before. But because many of these establishments are going to be shut, because schools and colleges are already shut, malls and many other establishments, and of course offices encouraging people to work from home, government offices themselves saying that people can work, with just 25% capacity. The number of people who are traveling by train has considerably reduced. It has become almost 50 to 60% less. So yes, locals will continue to run, buses will continue to run, but there is a new rule that has been made by the state government saying that nobody will stand inside the buses and go. There will not be people standing and crowding around. So that's one rule. And platform ticket rates have also increased from just 10 rupees to 50 rupees. So those are some of the crowd controlling measures as far as public transport is concerned.
Radhika, just hold on to your thoughts there for a bit.
Are going to shut.
Charan Singh Sapra of the Congress Party is joining us on the phone line. Just a second, Radhika. Charan Singh Sapra, this move was necessary in Maharashtra considering Uddhav Thackeray is saying that people were not abiding by the social distancing diktat that has been put out under such difficult circumstances as COVID-19.
Yeah, of course, it was being seen since last 5-6 days. The number of cases were increasing. And though the government was trying to, restrain people, people were seen in the markets, though some of the major markets were closed day before yesterday. But there is a situation whereby we have now around 50 cases in Mumbai and around 3 people have expired. So I feel it is an essential decision which the Chief Minister has taken.
Right.
There should have been the lockdown in all these 4 cities like Mumbai, Nagpur, Pune. Pune is worst hit among all these cities, Pune and Mumbai. So I feel it is a valid decision which he has taken, and